Starting the carnivore diet can be a bit like walking into a Brazilian jiu-jitsu gym for the first time. You're excited, you're motivated, but you're also a little intimidated. You're looking around, everyone else seems to know what they're doing, and you're just trying to figure out where to put your gym bag. Well, consider this your crash course in carnivore living, my friend. We're going to break down those initial hurdles. Those little voice in the back of your head doubts that make you question if you can really handle this whole meat-eating thing. We're talking about the fear of fat, the constipation woes, the social pressure, the cravings that pop up out of nowhere, and of course the budgeting concerns. Because let's be real, nobody wants to be eating spam every day because they blew their food budget on Wagyu beef. We're going to sort all that out right here, right now. All right. Let's talk fat, baby. It's time to clear up some misconceptions and get to the heart of the matter. First things first, we've got to address this fear of fat because it's holding you back. Many people are still stuck in the mindset that fat is the enemy, and it's time to change that. It's like being scared to go heavy on the squat rack. You're never going to build those glutes if you don't challenge yourself. The same goes for your diet. You need to challenge the old beliefs to see real progress. Look, for years we've been told that fat is the enemy, that it clogs your arteries and makes you pack on the pounds. These outdated ideas have been drilled into us by old health magazines and misleading studies, but you know what? That's a load of bollocks. Modern research is showing us that fat, especially healthy fats, are not the villains they were made out to be. On the carnivore diet, fat is your friend. It's not just okay to eat fat, it's essential. It's the cornerstone of your energy and well-being. It's your energy source. It keeps you feeling full and satisfied, and it's essential for hormone production. Without enough fat, your body can't function optimally. Think about it. Our ancestors, they weren't worried about counting grams of fat when they were chasing down woolly mammoths, were they? They thrived on high-fat diets, and so can you. They were embracing the fat, getting that energy, that fuel to power their bodies. Fat was their secret weapon for survival and peak performance. So ditch that low-fat mentality, my friend. Embrace the fat. It's time to throw away those low-fat products and start enjoying real satisfying food. Load up on that butter, slather your steak in tallow, and enjoy the ride. The richness of these foods will not only satisfy your taste buds, but also fuel your body in the best way possible. Your body will thank you for it. You'll feel more energetic, more satisfied, and more in tune with what your body truly needs. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say the log jam in the digestive system, constipation. It's a common concern for people starting the carnivore diet, but listen, don't panic. Your body is going through a major transition. It's like switching from a Honda Civic to a freaking Lamborghini. It needs a minute to adjust. First things first, make sure you're drinking enough water. Hydration is key, my friend. Water helps to keep everything moving smoothly through your system. Think of it as the oil that keeps your engine running without a hitch. Second, up your fat intake. Fat helps things move smoothly, if you know what I mean. Healthy fats like avocados, nuts and oils can make a big difference. They act as a natural lubricant for your digestive system. And lastly, be patient. Your body will adapt, I promise. This transition period is temporary, and soon enough you'll be running like a well-oiled machine. Now what about those meat sweats? You know, that feeling you get after crushing a huge steak, and you feel like you just ran a marathon in a sauna? That's just your metabolism firing on all cylinders, baby. It's like your body is saying, holy crap, this is some serious fuel. So embrace the sweats, my friend. It's a sign that you're doing something right. Your body is working hard to process all that protein and fat, and it's a good thing. It means you're fueling your body with high-quality nutrients. Remember, every change comes with its own set of challenges, but with the right mindset and a bit of patience, you'll get through it. So keep going, stay hydrated, eat those healthy fats, and let your body do its thing. And lastly, be patient. Your body will adapt, I promise. Now, what about those meat sweats? You know, that feeling you get after crushing a huge steak and you feel like you just ran a marathon in a sauna? That's just your metabolism firing on all cylinders, baby. It's like your body is saying, holy crap, this is some serious fuel. So, embrace the sweats, my friend. It's a sign that you're doing something right. All right, let's talk about the social pressure, because let's be real, it's a thing. You're out with your friends, everyone's ordering pizza and beer, and you're all, can I just get a side of beef, medium rare? People are going to look at you funny, they're going to make comments, they're going to try to slip you a slice of pizza when you're not looking. But you know what? Screw 'em. You're on a mission here. You're optimizing your health, and you don't need their negativity in your life. Just smile politely, tell them you're doing great, and that you'll let them know when they're ready to stop eating like crap. And who knows, maybe your dedication will inspire them to make some changes in their own lives. Remember, this is your journey, not theirs, so hold your head high, order that steak, and enjoy every bite. Now, let's talk about cravings, because they're sneaky little bastards. They have a way of creeping up on you when you least expect it, often catching you off guard. They usually make their grand entrance around week 2, just when your body is detoxing from all the sugar and processed crap you used to eat. It's like your body is throwing a tantrum, demanding its old comforts. You'll be going about your day, feeling great, and then, bam! It hits you out of nowhere. One moment you're focused, and the next you're consumed by a sudden, intense craving. That craving for a donut, a pizza, a giant bowl of ice cream. It's like your brain is playing tricks on you, making you think you need it. But here's the thing, cravings are like toddlers. They're loud, they're demanding, and they'll try to wear you down with their persistence. They'll pull at your attention, nagging you until you feel like giving in. But just like with a toddler, you have to stand your ground. If you ignore them, they eventually give up and go away. It's all about patience and resilience. So how do you fight back? How do you conquer these cravings like a champ? First, make sure you're eating enough fat. Healthy fats are your secret weapon against cravings. Incorporate avocados, butter, and fatty cuts of meat into your diet. These will help keep you satisfied and curb those pesky cravings. Second, get creative with your meals. Don't let your diet become monotonous. Experiment with different cuts of meat, various spices, and diverse cooking methods like grilling, roasting, and even slow cooking. Variety is key to keeping your meals exciting. And lastly, remember why you started this journey in the first place. Reflect on your goals and the reasons behind your decision. You're doing this for your health, your well-being, and your future. Visualize the benefits and the positive changes you're making. Don't let a few cravings derail all your hard work. Stay strong, stay focused, and keep pushing forward. You've got this. All right, let's talk about the elephant in the room, money. Because let's be real, eating nothing but meat can get expensive if you're not careful. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be. You don't need to be eating filet mignon and lobster tail every day to thrive on the carnivore diet. There are plenty of affordable options out there that will keep your wallet happy and your belly full. Ground beef, for example, is a carnivore staple. It's versatile, it's affordable, and you can do a lot with it. Eggs are another great option. They're packed with protein and nutrients, and they're relatively inexpensive. And don't forget about organ meats. Liver, heart, kidneys, they're nutritional powerhouses, and they're often much cheaper than muscle meats. So, there you have it. Eating carnivore on a budget is totally doable. Just be smart, be creative, and don't be afraid to get a little thrifty. So there you have it, my friend. We just tackled 5 of the biggest hurdles people face when they first go carnivore. Remember, this ain't rocket surgery, it's just meat and fire, baby. The carnivore diet might seem intimidating at first, but with a little bit of fat, a whole lot of patience, and a good sense of humor, you'll be thriving in no time, feeling better than ever. Now go grab that steak, ditch the kale, and embrace your inner carnivore. Cheers, and happy chomping.
At my site at compositionconsultant.com, where your journey to peak performance and optimal health begins. With a degree in human nutrition and over 15 years of training experience, I've guided more than 400 carnivores to not just meet, but exceed their physique and performance goals. Through personalised consultations, comprehensive ebooks and dedicated coaching, I'm here to ensure your success. Join the ranks of those who have transformed their lives. It's time to align your physique goals with positive health outcomes. Visit compositionconsultant.com today and take the first step towards the best version. Build muscle and lose fat on the carnivore diet.